model, 2011 Citroen Berlingo HDi 75L1625X 12 months MOT fully serviced including Cambelt. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 119518. MOT, the 9th of December 2025. Engine, 1560 cc DV6 BUTED4. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. No warning lights on the dash, fresh 12 months MOT, just been fully serviced including complete cam kit. This is ready to go and the new owner will be very happy, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life